In this video, I'll show you how to use Amiibo on Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1. Check for Amiibo support. Make sure your game supports Amiibo features. Look for the Amiibo icon on the game case or eShop page. Step 2. Enable Amiibo in-game. Start the game and go to the Amiibo section in the menu. Then follow the in-game prompts. Step 3. Scan the Amiibo. Hold the Amiibo figure to the NFC touchpoint, usually on the right Joy-Con or on the Pro controller. Step 4. Receive rewards. The game will recognize the Amiibo and unlock special items or features for you. Step 5. Use Amiibo in other games. You can use the same Amiibo in multiple compatible games for different bonuses. And that's how you use your Amiibo on the Nintendo Switch 2. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you. Bye.